Most of us have heard of aurora borealis or northern lights and aurora australis or southern lights. But do you know that auroras can also be seen from India? Yes, it is possible to see aurora from India, but it is an extremely rare event that only occurs during periods of intense solar activity. Historically, auroras are polar phenomena. However, during solar cycle 25, which is peaking between 2024 to 2026, the sun has been active enough to push these lights from North Pole and South Pole towards the center. If an aurora occurs in India, it is almost exclusively visible from high altitudes. Northernmost regions where the air is thin and light pollution is minimal. The most notable areas from which auroras are visible in India are Hanle in Ladakh. It is home to the Hanle Dark Sky Reserve and it is the most likely spot from where aurora is visible in India. Scientists from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics captured stunning red auroras here as recently as 2024. The other notable spot from where aurora is visible in India are the Nubra Valley and Pangong Tso, both in Ladakh region. These remote areas in Ladakh offer the clear dark horizons necessary to spot the faint glow of low-latitude aurora. However, we cannot expect the vibrant, dancing green curtains seen in Norway, Iceland, or down south in New Zealand. In India, you are more likely to see a deep red or purple glow on the northern horizon. This is because only the highest parts of the auroral display, which are red, are tall enough to be seen from lower latitudes. They are often faint to the naked eye and look like a strange heat lightning or sunset glow. They are much easier to capture using long exposure photography on a DSLR or a high-end smartphone. Now, how come we can see aurora from India at this time, that is 2024 to 2026? The sun operates on a 11-year cycle. From 2024 to 2026, we are currently at the solar maximum, a phase where solar flares and coronal mass ejections are most frequent. When a particularly powerful extreme geomagnetic storm hits Earth, it expands the auroral oval towards the equator, making sightings in India possible. You know, there is one historical fun fact also. One of the most intense auroras ever recorded in India was in February 1872, when the sky turned a deep violet and was visible as far south as Mumbai.